welcome to Poonam's Paradise. Thank you so much for the 2000 views for my last DIY balcony makeover video. So I'm looking for more DIY for my house. So उसके लिए better place कौन सा रहेगा? तो I thought why not to visit IKEA. So I'm taking you guys to IKEA to find out very interesting and exciting things for my home. So what is more fun if you have sisters with you while shopping? So I'll introduce my sisters. Hi guys.
So we used to visit the IKEA store frequently when we lived in the US, and we enjoyed every time. Let's see how is the experience here.
Hey guys, so finally we have reached at New Mumbai's IKEA. This is one of the biggest IKEA in India, and I think second one is in Hyderabad. We are so excited for this shopping. Finally we are in the IKEA and we are ready for shopping guys. So stay tuned with us.
Unique thing about IKEA store are its spacious children's play area, where you can drop your kids and enjoy shopping worry free. The store has got a huge layout, and we start at level 2. Here we will find full size display models of the entire home. The display models have everything from big items like sofa, furniture to little things like decoration items, all at a very reasonable price.
But how do we pick up things that we like?
Small items are available right there, while big items can be collected from the warehouse at the end of the store.
हमें बहुत सारे मॉडल दिखे बट ये मॉडल हमें बहुत ही फैंसी लगा. You can see the beautiful curtains, pink color theme basically, and the hanging chandelier. And these are looking pretty too. These are cabinets with doors.
Now we are entering in the model of a 500 square feet home.
So you can see this is really fast. You can assemble it by yourself and you can make it like this.
Here are all the glass cabinets. They look really fancy, especially when they're glass.
So this is a jar with the tap, so you can put it in the kitchen.
It looks really nice.
It's looking very nice.
This store is so big. We haven't even probably completed like half of it. There are more floors, but we are just stuck on this one floor. Right now we are in the kitchen aisle, as in a lot of kitchen stuff here and there. And let's see what happens next. Right now we are in the children's IKEA section.
You can see huge setup for the kids area. It's looking so pretty, beautiful design. Hey guys, we are roaming around here. It's been 2 hours for us and it's really nice. And now we are a bit hungry, so we will go to the IKEA restaurant. So let's go, we'll show you how it looks. And
So this is a very big self-service restaurant. While the options are limited, the quality of food is very good. After taking a relaxing break, now we are back to shopping.
so ये 4-piece spice jar है, which is 99 rupees, and it will be great for the kitchen use. So I'm putting this in the trolley.
Look at how many candles there are. I got measurement cups. More measurement cups. Really impressive, right? This is a pie tray. We have cupcake molds. We have these pots, pans, lots of pots, lots of pans. Fit in these.
See, yes, it's so nice. It's a frying pan, so you can.
Yeah, it looks good. Oh wait, yeah, these are where you can store your dishes after they are washed. But they are soap dispensers. And these are small, whatever they are, they're really cute. So I may actually convince my mom to buy a few of these.
These are the cute little chopping boards, so you can have it on a handy basis for the small cutting and chopping. So these are different sizes of container. You can have it in the kitchen, and these are looking so pretty. And the slim
There are jars over here. Then there are slim
containers.
Yeah, there's
Will
small
save your
ones.
space.
Small ones. We have entered the home organization center now, and these are pretty cool, you know. Like we have. Hi, my name is Dustin. Entering the world of lights. We are finally entering my favorite aisle, the decoration aisle. So there are a lot of candles here, and mom's going to be doing a smell test for all of them.
The fragrance are so awesome. We can, have it in our bedroom. It's really awesome.
So okay, smell this one and try to guess which one it is.
I think it's a cherry. Cherry maybe.
After 6 long but satisfied hours, we are now ready for checkout. Towards the end, now we can see the huge warehouse, where we can collect some big items for home assembly.
So I got some frozen yogurt from the shop nearby, and this.
And yeah, it was awesome experience, guys. You must visit IKEA. We had a lot of fun and बहुत ही shopping किया, मज़ा आ गया. We really got so many ideas for DIYs and so many products. Products are too good.
Hi, so done with shopping?
We had a lot of fun, and you guys should visit IKEA for sure for more DIYs. Till then, bye bye.